Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So we are actually going to be doing a grocery haul, which we have not done in some time since last year around December or so. But, trying to get back into it whenever I possibly can. So we did go to Walmart and we spent, I want to say $75 Jared spent, and then his brother, I'm not sure how much he spent, but I will link the prices down below if I actually remember, or if I remember it on top of my head, I'll just say it, because I have no idea where the receipts are. But if you like any of these videos, I do a lot of budgeting, cash stuffing videos. I'm trying to get back into grocery hauls, so leave a comment down below if you would like me to continue the grocery hauls. And yeah, so let's just get right into it. So we decided to pick up a new toilet seat just because we just wanted it really. Jared picked up this wax bowl ring. I have no idea what this is for. Something for the bathroom, I guess. I did pick up a fruit tray, which was roughly about $10, and this is for my study session for school, because it's just a group of us that go and study before a couple of days before the test. So I brought a fruit tray. This was $10, and then the toilet seat was $25, and I'm not sure how much this wax bowl ring was. 2 packs of Old Spice, one for Jared and one for his brother, which I don't know how much this is cost. This is probably like, what, almost $7, $8, I believe. Brown gravy, which is less than $1. We picked up some shredded lettuce for a taco party coming up on Saturday, so that was $1.46 on clearance. I did pick up some Go-Gurt because I'm trying to, kind of eat healthier, and I really don't like yogurt at all, and they didn't have my regular brand that I usually get. So I remember that I used to like this as a kid, but who knows? I know I'm a kid at heart. So I got some Go-Gurt. Hopefully this will taste good. And this was $2.48. We did get some steamed broccoli. We got 2 of those, and those were 98 cents. And these are just veggie sides for this week. Alec did pick up a honey bunches of oats, so the mega size, which was probably about $6 or so, and then the family size of cinnamon toast crunch. He also picked up some white chocolate mocha, which is usually $2.98. Jared picked up 2 Monster juices, which are $1.98 a piece. Mountain Dew, which is usually $1.98 also. And this flavor is actually pretty good. I don't really like drinking Mountain Dews, but it actually tastes really good. Picked up some Listerine. It was on clearance for $3.50. It was $5.37. And there was $1 back on Ibotta. Alec picked up some M&Ms. He said that these were his favorite, the crispy ones. And these are usually roughly around $2.50. Alec also picked up a beef stick that he wanted. It was from the Slim Jim. We decided that we wanted to cook up some chicken wings, so we got a big family pack for $11.08. The Suave is actually on Ibotta, and you can get 50 cents back. So this was $1.88 at my store. It was exactly $2 after taxes and everything, and then I got 50 cents back. We picked up some sour cream for the taco party, which this was on Ibotta, but it wasn't. It was on Ibotta like a few days ago, but it's not anymore. So hopefully y'all have it. I did pick up some ramen. Now this ramen is so good. I've had it twice this week. And I have featured this a couple of months ago, like sometime last year, about buying this. And it was so good. It's really good. I always like crack an egg. And then if I have any leftover meat or beef or anything like that, and then I add that. So it's super good. I did pick up some avocados for the tacos and to make avocado toast. Since it is Lent season and every Friday you do not eat meat, so we are picking up some fish. Never tried this kind of fish before. I was going to get fresh salmon, but it wasn't really looking that great, so I did just get the frozen kind of this. I probably will pan fry it or something like that. And then I think that's it, you guys. So this is everything that I bought, or Jared bought and Alec bought. Jared spent about $75. I'm really not sure how much Jared's brother spent. Probably around $30 if I want to say. Probably less. I don't know. Maybe like 25 or so. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video and let me know down below what y'all are going to be making this week. I could tell y'all for sure that we are going to be having fish. We're going to have wings this week. We also are going to have some barbecue pork chops that we have in the freezer that I need to cook up. We're also having some buffalo chicken roll-ups that I found on Pinterest that I want to try. And I think that's it. And I believe like some leftovers and some salads and everything. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoy this video. And hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys later. Bye.